siyabonga nje ukuthi at short notice sonke sikhona ukuthi sibe khona kulona mhlangano wekulontsha sponsor sethu sakasani. Sibonge kakhulu nakiso sponsor for the hard work they are doing towards ku-promoter ibhola yalesifundza sakaHhohho. On behalf of the Competitions Commission committee, sicela nje ukuthi sibonge kakhulu for the funding. Sibonge nel-office lethu lakaHhohho leliholwa nguBaba Shongwe ukuthi siyawubona umsebenzi walo wekuthi basilandzele ama-sponsors langeti kutowengcisa nje kepha ato-make sure ukuthi ayasipromota sima-team akaHhohho, especially Super League. Sibonge nakini nje macembu ukuthi siyakhona kuphakamisa lo mjeka wa Football Association wekuthi kubonakale ukuthi uma ngabe kufike sponsor bese ansendi lokwenda ukuthi sponsor bese sesiyasibalekela. Sibonga kakhulu nje kubaphathi bebhola. Siyathi ibhola eSwatini sengikafiki ku stage la khona inika something ekhikhini, but for the empowerment of the sport nalokusita labadlali siyabonga nakini baphathi ukuthi ninikele ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi nisponsorishe bamfana bete batodlala ibhola. Sicela kunemukela nje kakhulu la ekhaya lebhola, everyone abe comfortable, and siyabonga kakhulu ku sponsorship. We are looking forward ukuthi sinipromote ngayo yonke indlela, silandzele futhi netifiso tenu as a sponsor ngobe uma ngabe senta lo lokufunwa ngeni, we are hopeful ukuthi sitawuchubeka sponsorship sanze and sikhone ku-reacha ligoli lethu as football managers ukuthi sigcine sifike ku-the part yokuthi ibhola ibe professional. Siyabonga kakhulu nonke for attending, and we thank you very much Sunny. Siyabonga sithi it's sunny today. Thank you very much.